welcome to Huawei IGI Forum 2024. It's held here in Berlin. We are now in the main exhibition hall where we can find the portfolio of solution and storage products from Huawei. This forum will geek out on how to redefine data storage in the area of data awakening. Let's go and listen to our guests and see how they will share with us. So let's go! Thank you for your speaking in the keynotes about how to win in the intelligent era. So can you please introduce for us or give more information about the challenges of AI, artificial intelligence era, and how to meet these challenges?
So we're becoming a lot more digital in how we do business. That means we're collecting a lot more data and making use of that data in new ways. So Gen AI really takes us to the next level. In the past we had predictive and interpretive AI, which really sort of helped expose some of the data and some of the trends, but didn't really enable some of these new use cases. But the large language models and transformer models that come with generative AI enable us to do a lot more with both text, but also into images and videos, into development and coding, even to music and other areas. So a huge amount of new opportunities that we can really bring to bear to add value to the business on top of the existing data that we have.
Yeah, so what do you think how we can meet these challenges?
Well, what we really need is storage that is more scalable, has more capacity, has more performance to really support the compute demands that we're seeing with Gen AI, which has trillions of parameters these days. So we really need a step change in the entire infrastructure, which means new types of data centers as well. So we've got to be prepared for a next generation data centers that can house the Gen AI infrastructure, new network fabrics to transmit the data around, and new types of storage architectures which really enable us to get the data from the storage to be processed and produce a result in a timescale that's actually valuable to me as a user.
Yeah, I think so. To meet all these requirements, we need high performance, low latency, and to answer all these applications. So I think that you already have a visit in our booth and or our hall in our products and solution. So what do you think about our solution? Huawei solution is already can catch this requirement, these challenges, or not?
Well, to me it was quite amazing just how innovative Huawei is, and particularly around a lot of the all-flash storage. So a lot of the high-capacity flash modules, and particularly the 128 terabyte module showed today, very small form factor, very low power consumption. That's the type of innovation that we really need to drive an AI-ready data center in the future without overloading the power supply, without having excessive cooling, etc., and still having the performance required to deliver the AI insights.
Yeah, so you have an idea or like some opinions, some advices for us to meet more and more advancement in our future?
Well, for me, it's continue doing a lot of what you're doing, which is innovating, keep bringing to market, but make sure that you're also open and interoperable to fit in with the various standards. And Huawei would be best suited to support all of those platforms in future.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Andrew, for these advices. Thank you for your sharing with us today, and you will be always welcomed in our forum and in our meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This year IGI Forum is the story of how we redefine storage for the data awakening and more. Don't miss out on our key announcement, killer product positioning, and insightful customer stories, which are the key of understanding the ever-changing digital landscape